Good morning, students. Last class started VVS Lakshman very special. Here is up to page number, see children, 39 page. The question here is by Sports Star. SS means here is Sports Star. And giving that is a reply of VVS Lakshman. What were your biggest moments as a cricketer? Biggest moments. Great moments as a cricketer. Cricketer ga meeku biggest moments enti? The question by Sports Star. Next replied by VVS. There were many. So here is what were many? Biggest moments, greatest moments in his career were many. Chala unnai. But some stand out. Very important. Though I never played the World Cup. Never played means he did not. VVS Lakshman did not play in the World Cup cricket on behalf of Indian team. That saw India as the number one team. But India as the number one team, being a member of the Indian team. India, that is, will be a number one team, especially not one days here, test matches. But he is a member of Indian cricket team as test career. But he played a few matches in one day international. Okay. Which was the world number one? Which was the world number one? One days లో ఎక్కువ మ్యాచెస్ అయిపోయినప్పటికీ వరల్డ్ కప్ తన మ్యాచ్ ఆడలేదు. He did not play World Cup. అదే ఇండియన్ క్రికెటర్గా ఇండియా వైపు తన వరల్డ్ వన్ డే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లో వరల్డ్ కప్ లో he didn't play. But he played that is almost test matches. Then number one test career in the test cricket was one of them. The 281 again here is VVS Lakshman that is scored his score here 281 runs that is against here Aussies. Aussies means Australia. Aussies means here Australia. So where in Kolkata in 2001 when VVS Lakshman Indian cricket team test match played against Australia in 2001 at Kolkata Stadium. That is, he scored 281 runs because almost all many players failed in the first session. Here test match generally is two sessions. That is two innings, first innings and second innings. The almost all the first innings here is many players that is failed to bat. So VVS here he scored that is 281 runs against Australia in 2001 at Kolkata Stadium. It was the biggest score, highest score especially cricket test cricket career. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2000 was another one. The test remains the most memorable match for me. So he did not that is forget. It was the most memorable talent. VVS Lakshman showed his complete talent in the match. He didn't forget. It was unforgettable match, especially for his cricket career. That is a test cricket career. The test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, why? The test series was very special for all players. But it was also the best and the most memorable series. Okay, so many players played, especially that is test matches. It consists of 5 days. Generally 5 days here is a test match. Here 2 innings. 2 innings, first innings, second innings here is there. First innings here is, for example, here is 380 runs. 380 runs that is all out, for example. Then the bat is A team here is first innings 380 runs, and B team here is completion of first innings. There is no time limit. Some that is some teams played one day, or some teams played. So here is half day. So okay. So next B team first innings here is only 240 runs all out here is there. But it is not declared who wins. But again A team here is second innings is there, here is at least 350 runs. So next here is B team second innings is here is there. B team here is 240 remaining, here is 140. So 140 addition here is scored plus here is 350. 350 plus 490, that is here is there ahead. In 490 runs before completion of the match, 491 runs for example played, here is B team will win. Sometimes here is A team, that is took all wickets of B team within the day, that is completed before the time of the test match, A team will the win. So it is test means 2 innings. First innings some that is failed, but they recover, that is second innings. Both, that is 2 innings total is who's got the highest, who that is beat out the highest. Yeah, next that the series gave us, that series means especially India and Australia series, is the Australian cricketers are professionals. That is the born cricket. That's they always played. That is they always think about new techniques of especially cricket. That series gave us means cricketers, confidence that we can be the best. So almost all matches they played well, but that series especially, that is gave all Indian cricketers a good confidence and best performance, especially for the test series. Clearly, that was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. That is in 2001. Here is when VVS Lakshman entered test series cricketer of Indian team, there is almost a change because he has a good line of batting. He has to maintain, that is patience, that is to play, that is to extend, that is some more hours during the play. VVS Lakshman చాలా పేషెన్స్గా బ్యాటింగ్లో లైనప్ చేసుకుంటూ స్కోర్ చేసుకుంటూ ఒక 2 hours స్టే చేయాలి. 2 hours కాదు 4 hours స్టే చేసి ఆ మ్యాచ్ నిలబెట్టగల క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉన్నటువంటి పర్సన్ VVS Lakshman. Now children, turn the page number, here is 40. The next question. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number 1 side? ఒకసారి మీరు వెనక్కి వెళ్తే క్రికెట్లోకి, what are the reasons, what are the causes of becoming the number 1, that is side? మన number 1 side రావడానికి, so do you find that is any reasons by that is your side? మీరు ఏమైనా రీజన్స్ చెప్పగలరా ఇండియా number 1 రావడానికి, number 1 పొజిషన్ ఉండడానికి? It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation. Sudden transformation means not on meaning, that is transformation means change. Here any change doesn't come all of sudden. Transformation means change. Change won't come all of sudden in the society. It comes gradually. Change comes gradually. ఒక్కసారి క్రికెటర్స్ అందరిలో చేంజ్ రాదు అన్ని సంవత్సరాల్లో. It takes a lot of time to change the environment and to change, that is game. Here in not come in 1 year, ఒకేసారి రాలేదు. It all started in the early 2000 start in career change in Indian cricket. When Sourav Ganguly became the captain. 2000 Sourav Ganguly is the captain of Indian cricket team. So that the change has started from 2000 when Sourav is there. Became the captain. I feel means here, who feel here? VVS Lakshman. Feel lucky to have played under Sourav, that is my first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. Here he has played under these 3 influential persons. First one is Sourav Ganguly. First one is here Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a captain. That is VVS Lakshman played under Sachin Tendulkar captaincy. That is some years. Next second Sourav Ganguly captaincy, he played some matches. And next MS Dhoni also, he played that is under his MS Dhoni captaincy some matches. So he got that is these three persons influences, experiences, and that is which is very important for his development of his career. సో ఈ ముగ్గురికి ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అయింది. సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్, సౌరవ్ గంగూలీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్, ఎంఎస్ ధోని ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సెస్ కంప్లీట్గా. సో అదే టైంలో వీళ్ళ ముగ్గురు కింద తన కెప్టెన్సీలో వాళ్ళ కెప్టెన్సీలో ఈ ప్లేడ్ దట్ ఈస్ వెల్. సో దే ఆల్ లెడ్ దట్ ఈస్ దే మీన్స్ three persons. By example, everyone was a true performer. Here MS Dhoni is performing very good, and here is Saurav Ganguly also very good performer, and MS Dhoni and Sachin Tendulkar. ఈ ముగ్గురు number one batsmen. So under these here that is Indian cricket change. So a true performer means true means a real performer, and all of them had traits of leadership. Here traits means qualities of leadership. So we are all Indian cricketers, all that is during this period especially. So all cricketers adopted some good qualities from these three captains. In this way, Indian cricket would be that is very strong enough, and that is confident, and that is winning to success many more matches. వీళ్ళ ముగ్గురు పర్యవేక్షణలో ఉండటం వల్ల సో ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ సో హ్యావ్ డెవలప్డ్ లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్ దట్ ఈస్ వీళ్ళ నాయకత్వంలో ఉన్నటువంటి లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్ డెవలప్ చేస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ that is developed under these captaincies who are MS Dhoni and who are that is Saurav Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar captaincy. Next question. How different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? Okay, Saurav Ganguly is a good player, no doubt. But how do you say Saurav Ganguly as a captain? What about any difference? మీరు ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ గమనించారు? ఎలా మీరు కెప్టెన్గా అతను డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాడని ఎట్లా ప్లే చేయగలడు? సో డూ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ డిఫరెన్స్ యాజ్ ఎ కెప్టెన్ ఆఫ్ సౌరవ్ గంగూలీ బిఫోర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్? జనరలీ బిఫోర్ కెప్టెన్సీ దట్ ఈస్ all players that is struggle for the match, win for the match, no doubt, not at all. But as a captain, for example, Saurav Ganguly is not captain before that. He played just for the match, for winning match. But he did not take complete responsibility of the whole match. As a captain after that, when he took captaincy under that is Indian cricket team, so he took that is a responsibility to win the match. It is very important. Not only Sachin Tendulkar. So here Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar or MS Dhoni. Match before that, captaincy before mundu, normal they play normally. That is. But after captaincy, they played responsibility. In a confident manner. Anyhow win the match. Win the match under their captaincy. అలాగే సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్ కూడా మ్యాచ్ తన కెప్టెన్ కూడా రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పర్సన్. కెప్టెన్ కాకముందు తనకేం అట్లానే నేను కెప్టెన్ కాదు కదా, నేను బాగా ఆడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ బికాస్ ఎవ్రీవన్ షుడ్ ప్లే దేర్ గేమ్. బట్ సమ్టైమ్స్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ దే ఫెయిల్ టు బ్యాట్, దే ఫెయిల్ టు ఫీల్, దెన్ దే ఫెయిల్ టు సమ్ క్యాచెస్ which are turning entire the match. Now children, so VVS Lakshman replied that I must say that the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright at that time that is year 2000. After that Saurav Ganguly under the captaincy, the coach was John Wright. He came from New Zealand coach John Wright, very famous captain. That is so was influential the changing mindset of Indian cricket itself. At that time Indian mindset change of Indian mindset cricketers mindset completely changed in this time only Saurav Ganguly and that is team coach John Wright. Only because of these two personalities influences, that is they completely changed the mindset, the attitude of Indian cricket team. Complete almost all change. ఎప్పుడైతే జాన్ రైట్ వచ్చాడో జాన్ రైట్ కి కెప్టెన్ సౌరవ్ ఈ ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఇండియన్ మైండ్ సెట్ మార్చారు. మనం విన్ టు ద మ్యాచ్ ఎనీహౌ, విన్ టు ద మ్యాచ్. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్, చేంజ్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ ఇట్స్. ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ మైండ్ సెట్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్, ఫర్ ఇట్ వాస్ దెన్ దట్ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ డూయింగ్ వెల్ consistently. So we started with almost all Indian cricket players. Consistently means so that is here is continuously, perfectly. Okay, స్థిరంగా, stability గా, to that is to win the match, to play the match anyhow. That is stability, maintain the stability, especially abroad. Not only that is India. So India cricket team went for abroad. In foreign countries also they maintain stability of winning matches. Even abroad, foreign countries కూడా maximum matches ని, series ని we got under the leadership of Sourav Ganguly and John White as a coach. And we had some amazing talented. So amazing is surprising. Everyone that is here, that is under Sourav captaincy. So I think so many cricketers they showed their talent. Amazing, surprising talent individually with the hunger for success. Hunger for success, getting success, winning the match anyhow, fight only for playing the match only, success point of view. Think, play, work hard, success anyhow, success. So after 2000 onwards, so we got many series under this his captaincy and John White as a coach. So అప్పటి వరకు అందరూ కూడా ఇండియన్ క్రికెటర్స్ అందరూ కూడా సక్సెస్ కోసం హంగ్రీ, that is a great ambition. Anyhow success is very important. Even any match played well, because one, that is we played the match against Pakistan or against Australia or against New Zealand or the South Africa, then we get a confidence, and next match we will win immediately, because it gives a boost, a confidence. That is here, every individual talented, who played with pride. Pride means for the nation. They are playing, all cricketers are playing the match for the nation, playing for the nation. Worked really hard. At that time, all cricketers worked hard. Almost all cricketers worked hard. Bowlers, anyhow they took wickets. Batsmen, they performed well. Fielders, they didn't miss a catch. Especially Azharuddin, he is a very good player, especially number one fielding. Sourav Ganguly is a number one batsman there and fielder. And here Sunil Gavaskar is a number one batsman. If he stands a crease, that is especially batting at least more than 50. Even Krishnamacharya Srikanth also, and Kapil Dev, a good bowler and good batsman. So here is big persons are there. A great persons are there. That is, they sacrifice their lives for Indian cricket team growing. So worked hard really and showed great commitments levels. Commitments here, dedication. All players we found that win to match. Anyhow winning the match. Success the match. That is, they are playing in a dedicated manner. Dedicated, that is. So now children, here is I shall stop here. By next class, I shall continue the lesson. I think children told many times, you have to take textbook when I am explaining the lesson, and take, that is, note down, that is pencil and write meanings and some points. That is so it is very important for doing comprehension passages. Children, I think, thank you very much. See you, that is next class children. Bye.